Alright, Johnny. How's things? So can you explain why we're sitting here today?
Well, today the lads yourselves have kindly come out and as you can see done a great job with our back garden, so delighted with it. It looks fantastic and yeah, nice setup.
Lovely. And how did you hear about us?
Out in Bloom this year, and the seniors had a great setup out there. Went over, had a chat, met you on the day, and you said you'd pop out, and here we are now.
Lovely. And which garden did you prefer in Bloom? Was it the upside down garden?
The upside down garden was probably my favourite garden.
Lovely. I love it. Why did you go for Sanctuary Synthetics grass?
Well, I was actually that garden, the upside down garden, looked great, and it was just probably the quality of the finish. And then the quality of the service as well, I suppose, over the last number of weeks has been great. So between the actual finish and the service has been top notch. Perfect.
So you have a drawer full of All-Ireland medals. Tell us about a few failures in your life, if you've any.
A few failures, yeah. Well, I'm only playing 6 years and I have 5 All-Ireland. So one year was 2014. That was a big bloody goal about 2014. So that was a massive failure, I suppose. Yeah. And, but yeah, you learn from them, I guess, and we're very lucky the last few years that we've gotten a few medals off the back of probably that failure, to be honest.
Lovely. Perfect. Let's see, have you ever been barred from coppers?
Don't think so, no. Well, momentarily, mate.
And how do you get your hair to stand up like that?
That's me missus searching behind the camera.
Oh, there we go.
You got a half an hour of that before a game, we're sorted.
Oh, lovely. And it says here, what care products would you recommend for your hair?
Care products, anything from the local Spar or Super Value.
Lovely. Is it true that Philly McMahon would start the fight in the phone box?
Philly's aggressive, yeah. He's in training. It's funny, in training we sometimes play beside each other, and I've gotten a bad name because of Philly, to be honest.
Lovely, you're getting on the bad points off. Does Stephen Cluxton practice his speeches in the mirror?
Highly unlikely that he practices talking, let alone his speeches.
And it says here, was Paddy Cullen better than Cluxton?
I only seen a bit of Paddy Cullen on the black and whites before Stephen came out, but both class, I guess. Both class.
Over a number of years, and 3 of them all together with John O'Leary in there as well. Who was better, Dean or Barney?
Dean or Barney? Only seen a bit of Barney on tapes, but Dean the last couple of years has been awesome. His free take in particular, but I have to say Dean because I haven't seen as much of Barney. But
yeah, with Dean, no worries. And it says, who was the better full forward, Jayo or Kevin McManaman?
Jay. I actually marked Jay at the end of his career, and he was very different. Well, he was similar in terms of stature, but very different.
Wiry sort of.
Yeah, wiry. Kevin would be very direct as well. Both, I don't know. I've marked Kev, so I have to say Kev. Marked Kev more, so I have to say Kev.
And which of the two was a better singer? Because we know what Kevin's like to sing.
Kevin will take any opportunity to sing, so don't even ask him to go there. Jayo with a few 7-ups on him will be alright, but Kevin likes to do it when he's...
That's his party piece. What's your party piece?
My party piece? I just stay out of the way and just be in a dark corner somewhere. That's all I do, no party pieces.
Sanctuary Synthetics is a Kildare-based company in Nace. Who do you fear most in 2019? The main threat.
I always get the top Mayos and Kerry, Tyrone's,
Northern team,
the Northern teams, particularly this year. So I always get a good threat from all over Galway as well, so it's hard to know really who's going to come out next year.
You've done well now in your career, Johnny. What advice would you give to any young, ambitious footballers coming through?
I didn't play senior until I was 23, and a lot of lads, maybe this current group, are playing when they're 19, 20, so when or if it doesn't happen, just keep persistent and try and just be honest and
that's it.
Hard working as best you can, and the opportunities will arise if there's the right guy in charge.
There you go, kids, you heard them. It says, now don't worry about the garden anymore. Now you don't have to worry about the garden anymore because you can concentrate on the 5th All-Ireland medal.
We were out here digging the whole summer. We were digging. You want to see this place before we were digging for about 2 months, but no, it looks great and we're delighted with it. So thanks to for everyone.
Happy days, and thanks for the short interview, Johnny. It was
a pleasure. Thank you very much.
Enjoy the grass.
Thank you.